It's gonna be very, very safe. We gather, everyone that will join, we gather. We will take care of them. Take care of them. We'll be conducting briefings before races. Bago ng karera, meron kami mga drivers briefing, kompleto yan. We designed this one. All the races will be designed to be safe. And yung professional lighting, yung ano yan eh, may ilaw na pula, may ilaw na yellow, tuturo namin lahat. And the design is to gather all the racers. We will definitely take care of them, guide them, and teach them how to set up everything.
Nakapag-race na ba siya before?
No?
Ngayon pa lang. Sabi ko.
Dahil lang sa'yo.
Libre lahat yan, panoorin ng mga tao.
Of course, we have one condition. Siyempre, you have to register and you have to follow and you have to like Okada Manila and then Motorsport Carnivale. Also the reward systems that we have to follow. So, libre lahat ito. It's a family affair. Okada, the biggest integrated resort casino in the country, will be ready for family events. And we consider this one to be a family-friendly family affair. They can deposit the kids in play. They could deposit the kids in their events inside Okada. Enjoy the races. Enjoy the fountain show. Enjoy the room accommodations. So ano to, hindi to limited to panlalaki lang. Family affair. So when we invite, dalhin niyo buong pamilya. Style Las Vegas.
In terms of prices, what are we talking about?
This one is medyo critical. We're in the final stage. Apat na gulong, dalawang gulong. Tulad niyo mamaya, we'll be raffling watches.
Kala ko gulong pa pala.
Gulong na lang.
Makina watches.
We'll be raffling watches for you guys later. We'll be raffling also room accommodations. And a few toys from Tamiya.
Wow.
So, the main events naman natin, simple lang. We want everyone to be happy because it's a motorsport event. Motorsport, may apat na gulong, dalawang gulong. Pagpala rin tayo na ipamahagi natin sa team.
Pero John, during your time, naman ka pang na-accident.
I had a few really big ones.
Ano ka? Kailan to? Tsaka anong nangyari sa'yo?
The biggest one will be 1997, final race of the season. Philippine National Touring Car Championship. The car took off. Jody Casitlin. So yan, Hendrik Florendo was there. I wrecked the car. I don't know why, but ang ending lagi, the driver na nagka-crash and recovers from it becomes a better driver. You become faster. You become better. So that's what happened to me. I believe, ako, in my opinion lang, that's what happened to Ricky De Leon. His biggest crash made him better. So it's crazy.
Pero hindi ka na-injured that time. Hindi ka hurt.
No injury.
You should get a big insurance company to come in as a sponsor.
Yes. We have a few coming in. So, crashes, well-designed na rin. Safety standards are well-designed. Anywhere around the world, high category racing. It's all designed for crash. Pero, no injury.
So mga actresses natin, parang si Rian nagkaka-racing.
Rian
Hindi pa
is a professional race car driver.
So is she join?
I hope so. Bait natin. Bait.
Isa.
Sam, yung mag-asawa Troy, they're professional race car drivers.
Mateo.
Isa yung Clean Fuel,
The owner.
former boyfriend ni Bey.
Dominic
Dominic was professional.
Sino?
Mateo Gudichello.
Mateo, during my time, inabot ko siya. He was a champion karting driver. And yung latter parts ko with Toyota Dictons, siya was already driving Formula 3. Mateo. So marami din celebrities na may. Also Tonton, Monching, professionals yan.
Si Marlon Stacking.
Marlon Stackinger, biggest name when it comes to Angie King.
Si Angie.
Angie King also, pagdating sa international na identity as a Filipino, I think Angie King is the biggest star pagdating sa motoring, tsaka professional.